guys. A few hours before our oath taking.
Bang.
Sheesh, sino sila? Kami to.
Iwan meron guys.
Or, taut na.
Na-feel ko ang rain at sumakses talaga siya. Step by the step talaga yung ulan. Kaya nang hindi natin mapapigilan ang ulan.
At least our cream na Hey guys, we're here.
Sound na guys.
Tigali mga bandera.
Unboxing.
Unwrapping na unwrapping.
Patulog-tulog lang kami sa una guys. Dito na kami ngayon.
Bahala ko yung basta our cream.
Upon myself, voluntarily.
Upon myself, voluntarily.
I hereby declare that you are now a duly registered criminologist. Congratulations.
Thank you so much for being and welcoming our new criminologists to the Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines. Of 94.96%, making them the top performer, rank 1 in the performance of Criminology School in Region 8. And once again, the Southern Lady State University.
Taking guys. Ang bayan ko'y tanging ikaw, Pilipinas. So guys, we're currently here in Jollibee Palo. We're waiting for Just Mary's mom and cousin, because he's gonna go home and we're about to begin the party. Ito, nagre-reklamo kasi hindi daw front cam.